has absolutely no idea that I'm about to bring her up. And as a matter of fact, this will shock her. We're celebrating the person who introduced these two. Please, welcome.
And we have to give her applause today because you deserve those flowers. Thank you for this beautiful union. Hello everyone. Good evening. She really wants this moment because I need to say this. Good evening everyone. Chioma deserves this because, hey, me, I'm very protective over my daughter. And I could remember I woke her up 12:30. Hello. Chioma, come, I need information. And she was like, don't worry. Oh, it's so perfect. Oh, it's so this, it's so. I said, So I went to Priscilla. I said, Priscilla, come, Alpha, tell me. I'm monitoring everything. But Chioma was so positive from the beginning to the end. I want to say thank you so much. A lot of people don't know that you paid for the hall for the engagement.
Yes.
Yeah, she said, please give me this to do. And I did. Thank you so much for loving my daughter like your own. I thank you, and I thank you. And I want to prophesy. I will be